Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have some Happy Mail here from Your Creative Studio. So let's go ahead and dive right in. And what I think I'll be doing with these boxes, or what I'm going to try and do, is that every time I open a new box, I'm going to show you what I made with the previous box. So I do have a project that I worked on with the previous box, and I will be showing you that shortly. Now, I may not specifically stick to only elements from the previous box, but the majority of what I used was from that box. And then I'll pull things from some of the other boxes that I have. Okay, so this one says bake. So let's dive in and see what that is. I actually picked this up from the post office today, and I was going to wait to open it, but I just couldn't wait. I wanted to see what was in it because I don't look prior to receiving the box to see what it's going to be. So that's the back of the thank you card, which usually gives you a hint as to what's inside. So we're going to take everything out, always nicely packaged. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna try and keep this time. Let's take everything out. Okay. And again, this is a stationery subscription box from Your Creative Studio. So let's start with this one. These look like washi flakes or sticker flakes. They are nope, they're stickers of baked goods. So different desserts, probably a cinnamon roll, different breads, croissant. Yeah. All right. That's a pinwheel. I don't know another name to call that, but this looks like mostly breads. So got those stickers. Let's try and get them all back in the box, going in the right direction. It has a pretzel on the front. I wonder if there's a pretzel in there. This is what the back of the box looks like. Okay, then we have Time Machine. Let's see what this one is. These look like little stickers, I'm sure. Let's make sure. I can kind of tell by the weight of the paper that if it has a sticker or not. So yeah, these are like washi. Very thin and vintage. That's another thing about the Your Creative Studio boxes. The majority of the stationery items are vintage look. So look at those. Those are nice. Roses. Okay. Different designs in there. Okay, let's look at this one. This one looks like vintage baking and I don't know, just vintage items, period. All different sizes in here. Well, I just made a mess out of that. Is that everything? Okay. So we got a multiple sizes of things, and I think we got different qualities. So these look like things from the 50s, possibly. This is vellum. And this is vellum. Am I showing you or just showing myself? Baked goods, vellum. Not sure which way this one goes. This one. This has a little Valentine's vibe to it as well. I love this one. The Coca-Cola. 25 cents plus deposit. Then what is this? Looks like desserts and waffles. Okay, and then we have these. I think these are stickers, the ones with the shiny background. They're like washi too. Look at that one. That's pretty cool. I wouldn't say that's vintage, that's retro. That's the word I was looking for, retro. So, got lots of options with the stickers, different desserts and fruits and sundae. Yes, very retro. So lots to pick from here. I got them all mixed up. I really love the Coca-Cola again. This looks like a mom in her refrigerator. Some biscuits, Dr. Pepper. Okay, so yeah, this box is retro. It says vintage, but not really. I mean, it is vintage, but it's just a different era, I guess you would say. Okay, so there's that one. Let's go for another one. Let's go for these. So this is a rolling pin. These are the stickers. You usually get a sheet of stickers. They're clear stickers. They have that vintage look. So you got the vintage rolling pin. Oh, this is nice. So this is like the tissue paper. Should I open this? And it has stripes with, I can't find how to open it. I'm just gonna cut it. So it has stripes with different bakery items on it. So here we go. And it's like a vintage brown color. Do I have something white that I can put this on so you can see the color? I don't know which way it should go. I guess it doesn't really matter. But that is what it looks like. It's got different colors of brown. Looks like it's got a little orangey tint to it. And it looks like it may have like a handwritten recipe or something in the background maybe. It's very faint. I can't see the details of it. But that is the tissue decoupage collage paper. I think it's also called rice paper. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to make with this one. Okay, then, ooh, I'm not going to look at that yet. Let's look at this one. It says pine branch. Let's see what's in here. This looks like more vintage style botanicals. This says sweet scented. That's what it says. More botanicals. These are like washi flakes. Washi flake stamps. This looks like a ticket. Washi flake style botanical. The quote or sentiment. And then some ephemera. This looks like vintage receipts. Maybe a label here. These are labels. And another label and tags. This is a label, but I'll use it as a tag. Another label, and this is some other type of ticket. Okay, so all of that's pretty interesting. It's a wide variety of different things in that one. I don't know if I should be putting these back because what I've been doing is breaking down the box once I share it and storing things a certain way. So I don't know. I'll put it back in for now until I decide what I am going to make. Okay. Then let's go here. Nope. Let's go here. Okay. This is how to use rub-on or transfer stickers. So that's what this is, rub-ons. We got these before. And I don't think I need to take it out, but maybe I should because there may be a glare. But you get the little spatula that comes with it to rub them on. Let's look at these. So more vintage with a retro feel. There's this one. And this one. These are pretty thick. So I guess you kind of cut out what you want to use. And then, yes, cut out the image from the sticker sheet. Peel off the white background. And then that's probably when you rub everything, rub it on to wherever. Those are nice. And then let's go for this one. I'm already liking the way this looks. Ooh, I just had an idea. Let's take this out. And these are the papers. You get 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, 6 pattern paper. And it says, it looks amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook tags, and much more. These are 12 by 21 centimeters, which in inches, let's do inches, because I have no idea, about 4 3/4 inches by 8 1/4 inches. 4 3/4 by 8. Okay, so these are baking, cooking, food inspired. You got a nice floral pattern there, another nice pattern, and then I think this is the art paper. So the same designs. Did I miss that one in the regular paper? I don't know. It may be mixed up. I think these are the art paper. Then these are the stickers. Stickers. Then these are the vellum. Let's straighten this up. So there's a vellum. Let's put it on the white paper so you can get a better look at it. There's that one. That one. That one. Okay. That is all of the papers. Then let's look at this. This is different. Peel the individual stamp from backing, stick it on an acrylic block for stamping. Tips for better stamping results. Please use force evenly across the entire stamp or use a soft mat to put underneath the stamping surface as a cushion, for example, a soft mouse pad. So these are stamps. Let's see if I can give you a good look at them. Got some cooking utensils, spoons, forks, rolling pins, whisks, spatula, a ladle, and then you got a couple of chefs and it looks like a mason jar, food jar. But those are cute. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 stamps, I believe. And it's in this nice zippered pouch. So you can just keep them in here. Good for storage. These would be cool to stamp in a row next to each other. Okay. Then we get to the envelopes. This says masking tape. Let me show you what it looks like. The little sample of what's in here. And here we go. We got the checkerboard. Kind of like the Betty Crocker cookbook, only it's not really red. It looks aged. So that is what the washi tape looks like. Then this is a wood stamp. Looks like it's cheesecake. And I think that's what that is, cheesecake. And I like the wood stamps, even though they take up more space as far as storage. I do like them. Here's another wood one. So we got the rubber stamps, and then we got the wood blocks. So this one is a serving platter. Sure, it has an official name that I don't know, but I like that one. That's pretty cool. So we got the cheesecake, this one, and then the washi tape. That's what was in the envelopes. So that was everything. All right, so I am going to show you the project that I worked on. So this is the project that I made with the previous box. There is a video on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, showing the entire process of how I created this. And the base of this was made using a piece of junk mail from Audible. It had a lap book style fold. So I used that and covered the pages and stained the pages and did a whole thing to make it ready to become a lap book folio. And the majority of what I used is from Your Creative Studio. So that's it. That's the folio. Don't forget to go over and check out the full video on my other channel, Journal Life's Journey. I'll link it in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.